Go up the front yard by yourself, huh?
Hey, Benny's good this year. Last year he didn't know what to do.
Well, today with the kids, we only had like 4. I'm like, oh, Benny, don't worry about that. Put that down. Put that down to your room and then go get eggs. You're losing all the eggs, buddy.
Here, let me see it. I'll take it. Wait! Where were the girls? What were we supposed to...
Go find her. Maybe somebody. Benny, I see one. Benny. Libby, there's 2 in back of you that can miss.
Yeah?
Hey, let him get a few too, you know. He's just starting over there. Do you have any mimosas, you guys?
Yeah, do you want a mimosa?
Ooh.
Do you like one?
Which one, Jeff?
Do you want one, Bill? Or a glass of wine or beer? Hey, Jeff. Why?
I think I'm going in the house. It's cold out here.
Right. Benny, you missed one.
Hey, Benny, there's something under the shed. Take it out of that shed. Take it out of the shed, look. You don't want that one? Right there.